Hello everyone, this is Eric from RC Monster Garage, West Coast Air Design Engineering. And what we got here today, this is our new generation inspection vehicle with moving camera up, down, left, right. And let me go over and explain what we've got here. So for home inspectors and people that do foundation, plumbing, or any other general contractor that need to get into tight spaces, and it's a lot of time it's not feasible to go under the house. Sometimes it's like just too dirty, or if you have mud over there, or if it sometimes it's just too small. This vehicle will get in under the house for you and will videotape everything. Now you of course control the vehicle. This is the controller for it, and this vehicle propel with four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering. Four-wheel steering means that all four wheels turn at the same time, so you can take a very tight turn. At the same time, this vehicle equipped with two cameras. You have the run camera, that this is the center camera right there, that this will show you the way while you're driving, and I will expand on it later on. And then of course you have like a high resolution 4K camera on the top that actually recording everything, and then you can download it into the app and actually take still shots out of your video. Now also we equipped with very high intensity light, and I want to show real quick. While you flip the switch on the remote, now you have light that will lead the way for you. So in case that you are in a very dark house, or if you're doing the night inspection, it's not a problem at all, and you are all set. Now let's shut it off because it's very strong. Now you get able to see from the ground all the way to the top. While you're looking at the top, you're actually going to look actually into the ceiling of your floor. So what you're looking at, you're looking up, but you see actually the bottom of the floor of the house, if you need to see if there is any water damage or any bad pipes. Now also I have clients that use this for air conditioning, and the purpose with this with air conditioning is in order to be able to inspect previous system. You can inspect if there was any leak, if any leaking water under the house causing any mold problem, or any other option that you need to go under the house and it's just not possible. Now the other way that this vehicle can help you, it's for actually people they get doing the work for a long time, general contractor, home inspector, and you just had enough. You don't want to go under the house anymore. You're too old. It's a little bit hard to get into the small tight crawl spaces. So this is the solution for you. Now what I want to do right now is just turn on my screen here, and when you buy the system you get it of course the screen with this small LCD that you can see me right now. I'm gonna move away, and then you see everything you're gonna see in the camera. Let's see, I'm gonna set it up right there, and whenever you move the camera the video will follow. So right now I know it's not focused and I know it's not where it's supposed to show. I just want you to show you that it's real-time movement. So it's set up for you whenever you need it. This entire system is custom to order. Those are built by hand. So whatever customer tell me I need a certain kind of vehicle to do a certain inspection, I can customize it. I can actually add your logo on the vehicle. I can do whatever you want. Those vehicles right now are available to order. It's take between 3 weeks to 6 weeks to finish one. Most of the parts on this are actually designed by me on the computer and then 3D printed the parts and CNC aluminum parts if you need it for this vehicle, and they are ready for you. And if you need any more information regarding pricing, please contact me at 323-496-5757. My name is Eric, and the information will be below as well. And I will add a video that please follow the video and all the way through the end. I'm gonna show you a home inspection and see how clear you can see everything. Look at the foundation, look at the tight spots that I got in with the vehicle in order to show a bad area of the flooring actually. See you on the next video. Don't forget, if you have any question, just give us a call. We are here every day from 11 to 6 and we'll be more than happy to help you. We sell those vehicles kind of worldwide, so if you need to ship it to any other place, we ship them to Canada, we ship them to Japan, we ship them to Israel. Anybody that needs a vehicle like this done for him, just let us know and we will make it. Okay, so now we can see that the camera is moving together with the vehicle, wherever the vehicle is going. And what we're going to do, we're going to put it under the house. Don't ever forget to turn on your secondary camera. Those you have to turn on by hand. Let's do this right now. So to turn on the other camera, you're just going to make sure you start it on the side. And then make sure you're on camera. And then when you start it, the red dot, and now it's recording and we're good to go. We can turn on the light, turn it off, and let's put it under the house over here and start going. Everything is working good. Checking that we have the lights that we need, and here we go. Now you can see already in our screen, we can see where we need to go. So now we are here on the front and we're gonna start going over here to the left so you can see where you want to drive and just drive the vehicle over there slowly. Okay, we have here a foundation that is actually kind of damaged, and you will see this in another screen on the side, so the GoPro will give you a better view. Now you can see here that there is a problem. We can get even closer and you can see the quality of the video that you need, and if we shut off the light, you can see still that there's good enough light to see whatever we need. And we can turn on the light back, we can back it up a little bit. So we see here the foundation is not good. Let's look about how the floor looks. So this is the floor of the house. It looks like a ceiling, but it's actually the floor. And I'm gonna keep traveling over there. We bring the camera to where we can actually see, and we're gonna keep going. So now we have a problem here. There's a wire going right in front of our face. This is something that you have to actually watch because this can grab your gear, so please pay attention to it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna back up and we're gonna go around it. You can see here some spider web. Let's see on the floor here. This is where we got in from. And then whenever you see something on the floor, try to see what it is so you're not getting stuck and you don't need to go and throw. Here is all the cable for the internet and electricity. Let's keep going over there around the wall. And again, this will be with the light, this will be without the light. The camera is still working pretty good, but I rather have everything with good lights. Now we have here kind of a big slope, and now the line that you see here, the refresh rate, it's because you have a lot of wires and frequency under the house. Now let's continue the video watching it from the GoPro right now. Checking that we have the lights that we need.